Now to 2 News reporter Evan Bales. He is in Preble County this afternoon, checking in on efforts to keep local roads safe. Evan, what's going on out there?
Jack, officials up here are preparing for the worst and hoping for the best. The worst being potential 20-mile-per-hour wind gusts causing whiteout conditions. Now, while that snow is coming down, now speaking with law enforcement and county engineers up here, they say that 20-mile-per-hour figure is very concerning.
It's Southwest Ohio. We'll get through it. We always do.
As winter storm number 3 bears down in the Miami Valley, road crews are once again suiting up. Over here in the western Miami Valley, flat farmland is abundant, and snow isn't the biggest concern.
You've opened up a roadway, and an hour later, it doesn't even look like you've been down the road.
Straight line winds and gusts that so often bring down power lines in the spring and summer have their own winter counterpart.
I've always said I'd rather have 30 inches of snow without wind than 3 inches of snow with wind. You can go down one road, push the snow off, and by the time you come back, it's covered again. It's just a never-ending episode.
In Darke County, they're responsible for 524 miles of road, divided up into 20 routes among a single 24-person crew. However, manpower is hardly a limiting factor.
The biggest problem that we have is wind.
We're going to make sure we've got sufficient 911 dispatcher staff on duty, patrol units that are able to respond to crashes, slide-offs, whatever the case may be.
And even though this winter has already proven to be a heavy hitter, county officials I talked to in Darke and Preble say their salt barns are stacked to the roof. If you don't need to go out on the roads, just stay home while plows keep the roads clear and first responders keep them safe.
Deal with the weather, and you learn to pivot when you need to based on what's going on and just to get the job done.
As always, if you need to go out this weekend, make sure you are giving yourself enough time getting to where you need to go, and also making sure you're taking your time while on the road. And as always, be sure you are giving plow crews enough space to work on the roads. Reporting live in Preble County, Evan Bales, 2 News.